Hi everyone, I'm Sanaz. Welcome to my travel channel. Today I came to Alacati in Izmir, one of the most popular and famous spots in Turkey. It's such a special and colorful town full of flowers, charming stone houses and unique little shops. The whole place has a really magical vibe. Let's explore this amazing place together, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel videos. If you enjoyed this one, give it a like and leave a comment down below. Alacati is a super cute little town on the Aegean coast of Turkey. It's known for its pretty stone houses, tiny cobblestone streets, and all the flowers spilling over the walls. It seriously looks like a postcard. The vibe here is super chill with cozy cafes, cool shops, and the sea just a few minutes away. It's a kind of place you just fall in love with. You can't visit Alacati without trying the homemade ice cream here. It's absolutely amazing, made fresh daily with natural ingredients. These ice creams come in so many unique flavors. Walking through the streets of Alacati honestly feels like stepping into a dream. Everywhere you look, there are colorful flowers, little cafes tucked into corners, and those old stone houses with wooden shutters. It's like time slows down here. You can hear laughter from the cafes, and the smell of fresh baked goods just floats through the air. It's one of those places where you don't even need a plan. You just wander, and everything around you feels calm, beautiful, and full of life. Alacati actually has a pretty interesting history. It was originally a small Greek village back in the 1800s, and a lot of the beautiful stone houses you see here were built during that time. After a population exchange between Greece and Turkey in the 1920s, Turkish families moved in, but the town kept its unique architecture and charm. Today, it's become one of the most loved spots in Turkey, especially for travelers looking for something peaceful, stylish, and full of character. One of Alacati's most iconic spots is the old windmills up on the hill. These stone windmills, called the Alacati windmills, were built centuries ago to grind grain, and even though they don't work anymore, they are a beautiful reminder of the town's history. Standing here, you really get a sense of how peaceful this place is. The soft breeze, the wide open sky, and the stunning views of the town below make it feel like you've stepped back in time. It's honestly one of the best spots to just take it all in and soak up Alacati's unique charm. so much, my dear friends, for watching all the way to the end and being here with me. It really means a lot. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel adventures.